Hey, my name is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube video on buck knives, the series on buck knives. This is number 780, Exert. I was calling this Expert for a long time, but it's Exert, no P. This is in the Select series. Here we go. Here's a picture of the blade profile, which is pretty weird. It has like a little recurve at the top and a recurve at the bottom. Little recurve right here. Kind of a weird little thing here. Here's the specs on the back. 3.5 inch modified clip, 420 HC steel, 4.5 inch closed, 4.5 ounces, polypropylene with tactile overmold. That's the handle. Here is the you know what that is, and it says WM on there, and I am told that stands for Walmart exclusive. Okay, here we go. Let's get this thing opened up. I'm going to use this Stockman with this blade to open this thing up. I do not plan on returning this. I'm just going to rip this thing out of here. There we go. There we go. Get on out of there. There we go. And right here on the packaging is the anti-theft deterrent bar. Right there, hidden behind the blade. Let's get that out of the way. We don't need that anymore. And here's the tip guard. Now, you can see the recurve that's in here at the top. Little recurve right here. And one slightly on the bottom. Buckled right here on the blade. And here is the number right there. Flip this over. There we go. Made in China. Kind of a weird, very weird looking knife. Okay. The black is a rubberized material, and the gray is a plastic. You'll see the center right there. Flip it over this way. See the liner lock right here. Buckle right there in the handle. It's kind of a comfortable knife. If my hand was any bigger, it wouldn't be very comfortable, but it's okay. I got no big issues with it. Let's see how this thing folds up. What's the point that it wants to pull itself in? There is not a point. Well, right there. Flips open very easy. Probably the easiest flipping buck knife that I have. Huh. Very easy. Okay, you got the pocket clip right here. For me personally, I wish it was on this side, because I like having this side on the outside of my pocket. But that's only a personal preference. Got a space here to put a lanyard in. The clip is not reversible. I guess you could reverse it, but it doesn't have the little indentations in the molded plastic and rubber But I guess it could be flipped if you really needed it to be. Very easy flip. Very easy flip. See the centering right here? Little bit off-centered. The tip is. It's off to this side a little bit. This side's off a little bit. Let's see how this thing does on a piece of paper. Regular sheet of copying paper. Pulled it out of my printer. Ooh, that cut pretty clean. That cut pretty clean. Ooh. That cut very nice. Let's go ahead and take that all the way down. See what we can do. See if we can make some feathers here. There we go. I like it. If I can just get used to the shape of the blade, I think it'd be a pretty nice knife. Get this at Walmart for around 30 bucks. I forgot the exact price, but I believe it's under 30 bucks, maybe in the $25 range. Be a nice little gift for somebody. Keep it in your truck, your car as a backup. No issues. Check it out sometime. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate you being here.